Dear friends, everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell and also show you how you can change the country in Google Play Store. Before the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel, put a like, also write your comments after watching. So friends, let us get started. First, you will need to log into a browser on your device, probably Safari or Google Chrome. And then type in payments.google.com in the search box. And then navigate to this page. When it loads, you'll need to click on the three bars on the left-hand side. Then Settings. And now when this page loads, scroll down a little bit. And this is where you can change the country. As you can see, there's a section called Country Region. Click on the pencil to go to Edit. And if you already have a country listed, you can just open the list and scroll through it to select the country you want. That's the quick and easy method you can use, friends. Change country in Google Play Store. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes and write your comments. Bye, everybody.